So starting with a drizzle of olive oil, and we'll be showing you step by step how to prepare the stuffing for our eggplants. At this point, we're going to be lowering our heat to a simmer, and we're going to be preparing our eggplants, which the inside of the eggplants, we're going to be cutting them to cubes and adding them into our meat.
Alright, and there you have it. Very easy to make. Majority of it was all done over stovetop. And then you saw us pour out the eggplants, adding that diced in with the stuffing, the meat stuffing, the filling. And then we went ahead and stuffed back the eggplants. We put them in the oven at about 400 degrees.
400 for about 15 to 20 minutes.
That's it.
Till the eggplant is tender to it.
And then for that parmigiano on top, just so that it gets a little bit golden. It gives you that little bit of extra crunch. You can add mozzarella too if you want. We just added parmigiano. And then you can serve it either plain or you can drizzle it with a little bit of some sauce, a little bit of garnish, extra parmigiano, and then the most important part is eating it. We're gonna give this a try. It smells delicious. This is really fast to make, great to make ahead of time also. And then you have it done for the week, and especially when it is in season. So this makes a very good fall dish.
It is.
Smells divine.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Favorite?
I love eggplant. Absolutely delicious.
Light and flavorful.
So flavorful with the sofrito. And then you taste along the way. Everybody's taste buds are different. So as you saw, my mom was tasting along the way and altering if we need a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, etc. If you like a little bit more spicy, add a little bit more pepperoncino.
Buonissimo. Really good.
So good. All right, we're going to continue to eat this off camera. We thank you guys for tuning in. As always, weekly content uploaded every Sunday. And until next time, thanks for watching and continue to
Love what you eat.
Bye for now.
Alla prossima.
Right.